How you doing, guys? Good morning. Well, today we're going to talk about on the project that we started and we pretty much finished. But I'm not gonna go into too in depth. It's pretty simple. We're making a rack to hold our bale, our hay bale for our goats. And what I did was put it in the center of the divide between the goats, so that when we drop the bale in, both sides can eat off of it, which is great. Me and my son, we did the project, and he's in carpentry, so that was like a bonus because he already knows his basic math, his fundamentals on carpentry is awesome. He did a good job. One pallet brought us a rack, and it's holding fine, it's good, and did a pretty good job. It was a free pallet. We had a couple screws left over, so it was no cost, and it's very good. We used the fencing we used for the goats. We had scraps left over, so we used that. So here, let me show you, and you guys can follow. It's actually the width is 3 feet by 30 inches. Good enough size to drop a bale in. So like I said, it was very easy, self-explanatory. The woods, putting it together, I'll show you, and I'm sure you can get the idea of how we did it. So yeah, so here's the front side. You can see the mesh, the wires that we use, and they just go and nibble at it. We dropped the whole bale in there, which is great. Lasts about maybe a week and a half, which is great. And as you can see, there goes the divider, goes all the way across. And we just did it well enough where we can just drop it down, and each side of the goats can munch on. So yeah, so it was very simple, easy. My son Angel did a great job. He pretty much did most of all the work. I was just giving a couple pointers. We planned it, exactly what we need and how it will function, and this is what we came up with. Yes. So there goes our haze up there, and we just drop it in, and it's great. All right, guys. Till next time, this is our project, and hopefully we got more projects coming up. So follow. Alright guys, there you have it. Me and Angel finished